guys, we just finished up the sunshine roller hockey. We did roller hockey. We're here with the class right now. Here with the class. So it was pretty good. I didn't have any wipeouts today.
Just stacked it.
What? No, I didn't. I didn't fall. I didn't fall, class. Yeah, I didn't. I fell last time there. But bro, I had the pace. Shout out to hockey.
Where's my shout out, John?
Alright, we're out of school now. We're out of school now, guys. Out of school. Alright, what's up, guys? So we're basically at Burnside right now. I don't know what we're doing here, but like I don't usually come here. But I don't know. It's what I'm doing in my life, and basically, I thought to include everything that I do in my life in this vlog, because like we're vlogging all the time now. Vlogging all the time. I don't know. There's a lot of shady people here. That's why like I'm talking really quiet. So hopefully you guys can still hear me. But I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Guys, guess what I am? Where's my Hydra arm? So cringe, I swear to God. But yeah, guys. Dark blue! Yes, it is. What's up, guys? So we're actually on the bus to camp, and I got the homie here, Nisha.
And me.
Yes.
And me.
Yes, guys. And Big Will and my boy Traman. This is our camp. This is our tent group. Us for my best friends. Actually, three of my best friends.
I'm an orange belt.
Is he? Is he?
Green.
Is
Green. Yes. Except for the past person. Except for one.
Orange, look, he's a sexier colour than green. Except like green, like he's sexy.
So what? Look how the sun makes me.
Get the camera on this back on. Get the camera on this back on. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah, look, nothing happening. Because I'm olive.
I don't talk to you.
Oh yeah.
No, haram. Thanks for the hat. What up, guys? It's your boy Nisha Wheeler. We're back at it again with another. I got my braces. I got my braces removed. I'm committing identity theft right here, right now.
It's offensive law, offense, whatever, some shit.
Slap him.
Oh, baby, I'm whacked. Ow.
Whoa! Oh yeah, cat! Oh yeah!
Brennan has been sleeping. He looks like these drunk guys. He looks like he's drunk. Brennan, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep.
Hey, Brendan.
He looks like he's hungover. What's up, guys? So we're in the camp right now. We're at I'm not gonna tell you my location, but look at that. So we got Traman, who's finally not being a pussy.
That's caravan.
Pussies getting smashed by fucking cats.
Hold up.
He's gonna.
Hey, try to see how fast you can get here.
Yeah, Traman, how fast can you get here?
Look at the pitch, look how slow he is.
Yeah, Traman, you're actually slow.
I don't want to fall, man.
You're too slow. Oh, Traman!
Fuck you.
Yeah.
First of all, that could be wrong. Look at this one right here. That is low key a weird shape for animal shit. Now this right here, sir, is human shit. Okay? That man over there, zoom in the caravan, look at the caravan. That man over there has been fucking walking over to Caroline Chisholm's camp and taking a good old shit.
Wait, where's the shit?
Rabbit shit.
Yeah,
Where's-
that's like rabbit shit.
I don't blame him. You see, there's a fucking little lavatory over there. That's very nasty, bro.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're actually currently at camp right now. I'm in the toilet and I need to hand in my phone because then they're gonna like confiscate it or some shit. But like, it's actually pretty lit here. We got a fresh tent. Like, it's brand new and shit. Alright, catch you guys later. Alright, what's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of a little compilation vlog, I suppose. Because it's basically just a mix-up of all the little vlog footage that I've amassed over like a couple weeks. But yeah, they were just little mini school vlogs, and it's a really short camp vlog because like they didn't really give us our phones to call our parents and to record stuff. I was dumb enough to hand in my phone because like a lot of people didn't hand in their phone. But yeah, I guess I didn't really want to use my phone to like browse social media and shit. Like I just wanted to record some stuff because it was actually pretty interesting. Like all of the scenery was really nice, and I felt like it was really refreshing because, you know, I'm always on the computer, you know, where it's editing these videos, going on Google, or even like schoolwork and all that. I'm just always on a screen, and it was nice to take a break from all of that. So we did a lot of rock climbing and we did mountain biking. That was pretty cool. Kayaking. Luckily we didn't fall in the water like other people. And it was just a really nice experience hanging around with your friends. I still got phlegm in my throat. Like, I don't know. I must have like the worst luck. But anyway, let me know how this video goes. And I got a little bit of an announcement. I'm doing a Q&A soon. Probably like the next video is gonna be a Q&A. So make sure you head over to my Instagram. I'm gonna be like uploading stories, and you guys can type in. Let me just give you an example. So anyway, guys, over here, this is my Q&A section. So you can basically it says over here, like, you know, go drop some go and drop some questions. As you can see, there's already like people asking questions, so that's pretty cool. Drop whatever type of questions that you guys want, and I'll do my best to answer them. Like, you know, with, I don't know, like with life questions, with sneaker questions, with clothing questions, I got you all with that. So yeah, just a little announcement, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's much more to come because I've just been lacking, and you probably when you're seeing this, I would have already uploaded that video. This video right over here, that's the school vlog part 2. So yeah, yeah guys, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're really close to hitting 500 subscribers. Go and you know, check out, follow my Instagrams. My socials will be down below, and yeah, catch you guys in another video. Peace. Oh shit, knocked out my light.